Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ilu Swandari. You can call me Andari. I was born on 28th of April 2005 in Mangkutana. My address is Ondo-Ondolu Village. My school origin SMA Wantoili. My hobby is reading stories. I am 17 now. I have a number of reasons why I joined the Tadikapuri, including I want to have a career in aviation, and coincidentally my parents fully supportive. Besides that, I want to make my parents proud. After graduating from Tadikapuri, I went to join the Angkasa Pura company because I want to increase my experience to continue a career in the aviation world. So many introduction from me, less and more. I say thank you and good afternoon.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marsutiriape. I'm from the Luke branch, batch 22nd, and was born on March 23, 2006. I'm half sister and three brother. I come from Ondo-Ondolu. Feel like I'm alumni of SMK Negeri 1 Luk. My hobby is playing badminton. Tell me the reason why you joined Tadikapuri in the first place. The reason I went to Tadikapuri was to develop my aviation know here too. I was very supported my parents. What company do you want to join and you graduate from Tadikapuri? My wife. The company that current want to join where I graduated from Tadikapuri is the I only want to work on airport staff. Thank you, sir.
Hello sir, my name is Nur Laila. You can call me Ella. My address is in the village of Nonong. I was born in Batui, 7 August 2004. My school origin is MA Darul Hermasing. My hobby is sleeping. I am 17 now. The reason I entered was to get to know more about the world of aviation. And after graduating from Tadikapuri, I went to enter PT Gapura Angkasa because I want a career in the aviation world.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will answer the question given. Number 1, tell me about yourself. My name is Rahma Sia. You can call me Rahma. I am 17 years old. I was born in Lopito, Central Sulawesi. I grew up in Lopito. My hobby is playing volleyball. I am 2 brothers. I am the first child in my family. I have 1 brother. 2. Tell me the reason why you joined Tadikapuri in the first place. I joined Tadikapuri because the training at Tadikapuri did not take long. I also want to work in the aviation industry, and I also want to make my parents proud of me. Number 3, what company do you want to join once you graduate from Tadikapuri? Tell me why. I want to join Garuda Indonesia after I graduate from Tadikapuri because I want to gain experience and work in the aviation world. That is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello sir, I am here to introduce myself. My name is Darwis Ahmad. I was born on February 28, 2004. I come from Bagaimana, but now I live in Kilo Lima and school in aviation. I want to interest my colleague in the world of aviation and I also want to my friends. I want to join PT Gapura Angkasa.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asep Nur Iksan. You can call me Asep. I am 17 years old. I was born in Balanga, Central Sulawesi. I grew up in Balanga village. My hobby are playing futsal and swimming. I have 4 brothers. I am the second child in my family. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I joined Tadikapuri because the training at Tadikapuri did not take a long. I also want to work at PT Angkasa Pura, and I am also want to make my parents proud of me. I want to join PT Angkasa Pura after I graduated from Tadikapuri because I wanted to gain experience.
My name is Muhammad Zaid Muzaki. You can call me Zaki. I was born on the 18th of November 2004 in the city of Palu. I graduated from high school, majoring in natural science, and my hobbies are playing futsal and playing games. And now I'm studying in aviation. Because I'm interested in the world of aviation, and I want to start my career in the aviation world and become a successful person in the aviation world. I want to join PT Celestial Arts because of that. I want to start a career and be successful in the aviation world.
Hello sir, my name is Dandi Hadado, making a film Dandi. I'm 17 years old. I was born in Batui. I grew up in Anbunta. My hobby is playing football and I so is believe I'm 2 years of my family. I have 3 sisters, 2 brothers. I joined Tadikapuri because in training at Tadikapuri did not take long. I love what to work in aviation industry and also what to make present of me. I want to join Gapura Angkasa after I graduated from Tadikapuri because I could gain experiences.
Introduction. My full name Ayu Pratiwi Iba Yusalikalet Ayu. I come from Rock City. My school is SMA Negeri 1 Rock. I was born in 2004. My hobby is cooking. The reason I joined Tadikapuri in the first place was because of the 6-month intensive training. Competent course training diplomas are approved by the relevant agencies, valid for the entire archipelago. Graduates are prepared to become bid airlines professional workers. Graduates are requested by airlines. The company I want to join after graduating from Tadikapuri is ISK Time Company because Loni HS is available. Guaratan Bokis, one full Bokis flight, skip priority, recognition, cooperation between other workers at the airport and high salary. Thank you.
Hi Cher, my name is Yulita, you can call me Lita. I was born on the 23 of July 2004 in Lopito. My school origin is SMA Negeri 2 Totikum. My hobby is draw a picture. That's why my goal since childhood was to love the world of aviation and want to make both parents proud. After graduating at Tadikapuri, I don't know what company I want to join, but I have a dream to enter PT Gapura Angkasa because I want a career in aviation. Thank you.
Peace the afternoon. Hi, good afternoon. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Safitri Musa. You can call me Fitri. I am 18 years old. I was born in Ternate. Before joining in Tadikapuri, I am an alumni of SMA Negeri 7 Sula Island. My hobby is singing. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I grew up in the village of Sanana. I joined Tadikapuri in the first place because I want to be successful in the aviation industry, and I also want to make my parents proud of me. Once I graduate from Tadikapuri, I want to join PT Angkasa Pura because I have a family working there. Thank you so much.
Hi, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nadra Tidore. You can call me Nad. I am 18 years old. I was born in Sanana before joining Tadikapuri. I am an alumni of SMA Negeri 7 Sula Island. My hobby is read. I grew up in the flag of Sanana. I joined Tadikapuri in the first place because I want to be successful in the aviation industry, and I also want to make my parents proud of me. Once I graduate from Tadikapuri, I want to join PT Angkasa Pura because I have a family working there.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hartini Aminuddin, but you can call me Tini. I am 18 years old. I was born in Gele, Taliabo Barat Laut. I am an alumni of Alia Negeri 1 Taliabo Barat Laut. My hobby is listen to English music. I joined Tadikapuri because the training at Tadikapuri does not take a long time. I also want to work in the aviation industry, and I also want to make my parents proud of me. I want to join Angkasa Pura once I graduate from Tadikapuri because I want to get the experience. Thank you so much.
Hi, please be open you. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sriastuti Umagap, but you can call me Tuti. I am 20 years old. I was born in Sanana. I am an alumni of SMA Negeri Gayafwata. My hobby volleyball.
Hi.
I joined Tadikapuri in the first place because I want to be successful in the fashion industry, and I also want to make my present product of me. Once I graduate from Tadikapuri, I want to join PT Angkasa Pura because I have a family working there.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nanda Rizkana Putri. You can call me Nanda. I'm 18 years old. I was born in Luwuk, Central Sulawesi. My hobby is playing badminton. I live in Luwuk. I joined Tadikapuri because I want to learn about aviation. I want to join PT Gapura Angkasa once I graduate from Tadikapuri because I want to get the experience. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Miranda Bawang, but you can call me Lala. I am 18 years old. I was born in Tintingan. I am alumni of SMA Negeri 1 Pagimana. My hobby is volleyball. I joined Tadika Puri in the first place because I want to be successful in the aviation industry, and I also was to make my parents proud of me. Once I graduated from Tadika Puri, I want to join PT Angkasa Pura because I have a family working there.